Your diagnosis is Coughylococus.
Yes.
So, by the way, do you remember my name?
Dr. CRACKHEAD.
Very good.
No.
All right, Lishai. I'm a doctor.
Okay.
My name is Dr. CRACKHEAD, and you are my patient.
Okay.
You're sick. Am I correct?
Okay.
Yeah. What happened to you? What are
I'm
you
coughing.
sick? You're coughing? Since when? How long have you been coughing?
All the way.
You've been coughing all the way? When did your cough start?
When I was small.
When you were small?
Yes.
That's when your cough started?
Yes.
Okay. Did you drink any syrup for your cough?
Yes.
What kind of syrup did you drink?
When I was small.
Wait, I need to write that down. Wait. Alright, so what kind of syrup did you drink?
Syrup and gelatin.
Syrup for kids. Alright. How many bottles of syrup did you drink?
A lot.
You drank a lot of...
Yes, because when I was sick.
You're in your seat, you drank a lot of bottles of syrup. How many times in a day did you drink this syrup?
When I was coughing every time.
So you drank, every time you coughed, you drank the syrup? Okay. And what color was this syrup?
Orange.
The color of the syrup was orange? Was it in a big bottle or in a small bottle?
In a small bottle.
In a small bottle. Who gave you this syrup? Is it your mother or
yes,
your father?
my Ima.
Your mother gave you this syrup. Okay. Why is your mother not here today with you in the hospital?
I don't know, because my daddy come today here and look for that.
Your daddy came with you?
Yes.
Okay, because now from what I understand, you have Coughylococus. Say Coughylococus.
Coughylococus.
Yeah, that's what is sick in you now. So, as it turns out, what? You're laughing, Coughylococus? So, the very syrup you were drinking, we don't have it. We have something better, all right? But it's not syrup.
But also when I was small, Ima was buying me syrup and yellow.
Ima bought you. Before you drank orange syrup, you were drinking yellow syrup?
Yes, when I was small.
How old were you when you were drinking yellow syrup?
3.
You were 3 years old? Okay. So now, like I said, your diagnosis is Coughylococus.
Yes.
You know already that you have Coughylococus? Did you know you have Coughylococus?
Yeah.
Alright, so now, like I said,
Okay,
in this hospital, Coughylococus. In this hospital, we don't deal with syrups, okay? Syrups are for kids, for children. And as I noticed, if you know what Coughylococus is, you're not a child anymore. Okay, so we will treat you as an adult. Yeah, you're not yelling, you're not a child, you're not a kid. If you know what Coughylococus is, so we will treat you in this hospital as an adult. So we need to give you something. Thank you, patient. So by the way, do you remember my name? What's my name? Dr.
CRACKHEAD.
Very good. So we have to give you injection for Coughylococus, all right?
So now do me cousin.
Yeah, so turn around, give you injection.
No.
Wait, touch it. You bastard. All right. How do you feel? Because here everything works instantly. Are you still coughing now?
Yes.
Try to cough. Let me hear. I want to know the difference. Cough again. I think it's better than before, right? Better. Or you think you need another injection?
Yeah.
You need another one? See, that's why I said you are not a kid. All right, turn the other phone.
I don't think so.
This will make you feel better. Now, can you cough one more time? Okay, good. That's how.
Not here.
Don't take overdose, okay? Come tomorrow for another dose, all right? What again is your sickness? What is your sickness? Why are you laughing? It's not a funny sickness, Lishan. What is your sickness? What is your sickness? You have to. I want to know if you actually know. It's not Coughylococus. Coughylococus. See, don't make this a serious sickness.
Now I'm going home.
You're going home. Bye bye. Come back tomorrow, okay? All right. Bye. See you. Make sure you don't cough anymore. Huh? All right. Children.